हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट क्लास बाय नेहा यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ सॉइल इरोजन, डिस्कस द काउजेस एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन। ये इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज़ का क्वेश्चन है, सब्जेक्ट है इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज़। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सॉइल इरोजन इज़ द प्रोसेस बाय विच द टॉप लेयर ऑफ सॉइल which is rich in nutrients and essential for plant growth is worn away by natural forces such as water, wind, and human activities. This erosion degrades the quality of the soil, making it less suitable for agriculture and natural ecosystems. Soil erosion is a serious environmental issue because it leads to the loss of fertile land, reduces agricultural productivity, and causes sedimentation in water bodies, leading to various ecological problems. Causes of soil erosion. अब हम इसके काउजेस को देखेंगे कि क्या क्या कारण है सॉइल इरोजन का। सबसे पहला है वाटर इरोजन, रेनफॉल एंड सरफेस रन ऑफ। Heavy rainfall can loosen soil particles and wash them away, especially when the land is bare or lacks vegetation cover. The force of raindrops hitting the soil breaks down soil aggregates, leading to surface runoff which carries soil particles down slope. दूसरा काउस विंड इरोजन, strong winds in dry and arid regions. Strong winds can blow away loose soil particles, especially if the land is bare or lacks vegetation. This form of erosion, known as deflation, is common in desert and dry lands, leading to the formation of sand dunes and the loss of topsoil. Dust storms. In severe cases, wind erosion can lead to dust storms, where large amounts of soil particles are carried over long distances. These storms reduce air quality, damage crops, and affect human health by causing respiratory problems. Third, human activities, deforestation, agricultural practices, overgrazing, and construction and urbanization. Four causes, natural factor, topography. Steeper slopes are more susceptible to erosion because gravity causes water and soil to move downhill. As the slope increases, the speed and erosive power of water runoff also increase, leading to greater soil loss. Soil composition, climate. Now, effects of soil erosion: loss of fertile topsoil, decrease agricultural productivity, nutrient loss. Second effect of soil erosion, sedimentation of water bodies. And now subtopic, water quality degradation, reduced water capacity. Now third effect of soil erosion, loss of biodiversity and habitat destruction. And subtopic, destruction of plant and animal habitats, impact on pollinator and soil microorganism. Fourth effect of soil erosion, increased risk of landslide. And subtopic, destabilization of slopes, climate change contribution, carbon release, reduced carbon sequestration. Sixth effect of soil erosion, economic impact, increased costs for farmers, cost of restoration and conservation. Desertification, spread of deserts, impact on local communities. ये सब सारे पॉइंट्स है, आप इसके अंदर का जो जो लिखा हुआ है वो सब पढ़ लीजिएगा और याद कर लीजिएगा। मैं दिखा दे रही हूँ अच्छे से, इसका भी देख लीजिए, आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर पढ़ सकते हैं। एंड लास्ट कंक्लूजन, soil erosion is a critical environmental problem driven by both natural forces and human activities. It leads to the loss of fertile topsoil, reduced agricultural productivity, water quality issues, biodiversity loss, increased landslide risks, and even contributes to climate change. Addressing soil erosion requires implementing sustainable agricultural practices, reforestation, terracing, and erosion control measures like cover cropping and mulching to protect soil health. Prevention and mitigation of soil erosion are essential to ensuring the long-term productivity of the land, the health of ecosystems, and the well-being of human communities. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पर। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।